Hey guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from the stockpile because we need to have a little sit down conversation about some monumental changes that are happening right now in the coupon world. So 2020, y'all, has been a crazy year. It's no secret. 2020 has been nothing like we have expected it to be. It has rocked our worlds. It's been a complete paradigm shift. It has shaken my world up, turned it upside down, and I'm sure it's done the same for you guys. It's left me a whole different person. I'll talk about the ways that it's affected me in another video, but today I want to focus on the change that has come to couponing as a result of 2020. So depending on where you shop regularly, you may have already started to experience these changes and not really understand why. So if you shop at Walgreens, you've noticed some changes. You've noticed a lot of the paper flyers missing. You've noticed the register rewards missing. You've noticed this new rewards program and the disappearance of our points coming up on the horizon. All of those types of changes are related to what I'm about to talk about today. So I want to share with you the one thing that you need to know about what's coming. I want to tell you why it's coming, and I want to tell you what you can do to prepare. Before we get into today's video, I want to stop and thank Top Cashback for sponsoring today's video. So another one of the changes that has come with 2020 is that we have been shopping online a whole lot more. Even some of us doing our couponing online as a result of 2020. Top Cashback is a great resource for us when we are shopping online because we can get some additional savings and cash back for those purchases. So I want to clip away and tell you a little bit about Top Cashback, and then we'll get into the video. Let me show you how easy it is to sign up for Top Cashback. So I'm going to have a link in the description box for you to sign up. You just use your email address, create a password, and hit on join for free. And what you want to do is log into the Top Cashback website before you complete your typical online purchases. So I'm going to log in right here to show you what it will look like after you log in and how you search for retailers. There are over 4,000 retailers on Top Cashback, so there is sure to be some place that you already shop. Y'all know I love the dollar stores, so I'm showing y'all Dollar General real quick. Dollar General is currently offering 5% cash back on this website, but there's so many more retailers. eBay is on here, Dollar Tree is on here, y'all. Costco is here, even DoorDash is on here offering $5 in cash back. If I wanted to make an online purchase with Dollar Tree, I can just type it in, and then all I want to do when I'm ready to start shopping is click on the button that says get cash back now, and that will automatically track my purchases. I love to shop at Macy's during the holidays because they have so many good sales. So you can go on the Top Cashback site, get 8% cash back right now, click on that cash back now button, shop at Macy's as normal. You can take advantage of all of the great sales that they have. Like I saw some towels on here that were regular $14 on sale for $3.99 already, and then we're gonna get another 8% in cash back on top of that savings value. And there's no minimum for payout for Top Cashback. So just sign up for Top Cashback using my link below. Through that link, you're going to get a $10 sign up bonus along with your cash back when you spend at least $25. I hope you guys enjoy Top Cashback as much as I do. So now let's talk about the one thing that you need to know. So what prompted me to make this video and talk about this topic is an article that I read recently. It just came out last month in the Wall Street Journal. And I will have this article linked down below in the description box in case you want to read it. And I suggest that you do because it really has some deep information in there about what's happening with couponing and why. This article was titled, I'll put it up on the screen, I have to read it. Coupon clipping fades into history as COVID-19 accelerates the digital shift. That's a big title. It's saying that coupon clipping is fading into history. So what that means is not that couponing is going away, but that paper coupons are going away. This article is forecasting what we've already known, most of us, was coming for a long time, and that is that paper coupons are on their way out the door. I'm a lover of paper coupons. It's no secret. I love paper coupons, but I've also been in the coupon game long enough to see this shift coming and to see that digital is slowly taking over and it's becoming the more prominent coupon source. Per this article, for the first time in history, last quarter, more digital coupons were redeemed than paper coupons. That has never happened in the coupon game. And that one single shift has prompted companies like Walgreens and CVS to change their whole coupon strategy. And they're not alone. There's a lot more companies that are going to follow suit. In this article, Walgreens specifically states that digital coupon redemptions are up 80% over what they were this time last year. 80%, y'all. That is a huge increase in the amount of digital coupon redemptions. As a result, Walgreens is changing the game plan because they see where our attention and our focus is, and it's on digital coupons. So they're taking the time now to personalize those digital coupons even more and place more emphasis on them because of that growth. CVS has also made some changes. CVS states in this article that because of those shifts and us paying more attention to digital coupons, that is what prompted them to take all of our CRTs and all of our extra bucks and place them in our online accounts. So you guys may know this time last year, we didn't have the ability to have our CRTs and our extra care bucks online like we have them now. So now when the red box isn't working or when we can't get that foot-long receipt, we can log on to our CVS app and all of our coupons and extra care bucks are there. That is a result of them seeing that our attention is going to digital coupons. And digital coupons are taking over for a lot of different reasons that I don't even have to name. They're easier. For me, I love digital coupons because it's less mess. It's the Virgo in me. I hate having CRTs and coupons everywhere just for the mess. I love having everything, just being able to load it to my card. But because of this huge spike and this huge increase in this year in particular, we are going to see a shift towards digital coupons amongst a lot of companies. This change was already coming. It was coming whether this pandemic happened or not, but what this year and this pandemic has done is accelerated. So it's pressed the fast forward button on it. I read an article last year where the CEO of coupons.com said that he expected paper coupons to go away by the year 2022. I personally don't think that they're going away this year. I don't even think they're going away next year. But I would bet my bottom dollar that in 2022, our paper coupons just might come up missing. One thing that I thought was really interesting about this Wall Street Journal article is one of the executives in that article just plainly said that the reason there is a preference towards digital coupons by these companies is because they want the ability to be able to pull a coupon quickly. So with paper coupons, it requires significant foresight and planning. It takes months to get a paper coupon from concept all the way to your newspaper. And then once that coupon is released, they have to live with that coupon until it expires. With digital coupons, they can plan to release a coupon very quickly, and on the reverse, they can pull that coupon very quickly should they change their mind, and they can control how many people are using that coupon and who is using that coupon. You don't have that control with paper coupons. So the who piece is actually extremely important when it comes down to what's about to change. So I'm sure you guys have noticed with this year in particular, I feel like it's really coming, this abundance of exclusive digital coupons and just for you digital coupons. These things that are not on all of our accounts, they are personalized for us based on our shopping patterns. A lot of times you guys will tell me, I don't ever get the same coupons that you get. And that is because you are not shopping like I shop. So you may have noticed every single week at CVS, I now tend to shop with at least 2 different CVS accounts. The reason being is I'm shopping for my card and my husband's cards because I realize that those 2 accounts will get presented with different coupon offers every single week. Some of the coupon offers are the same, but when it comes to those CRTs, I've noticed that they are extremely personalized towards those accounts. So the more accounts that you have, the more opportunities that you have to be presented with different types of coupons. And you don't have to create multiple accounts. That's definitely not what I'm saying, but I just want you guys to understand the science behind shopping, because if you're not receiving coupons for a certain type of product, the easiest way to do it moving forward is to actually buy that type of product so that you can teach the companies that this is what you like and this is what you want coupons for. That's all, you guys. I just wanted to share that major shift that is coming, y'all. We are going digital. So like I said, I don't think that it's gonna happen anytime soon. I think that we still have at least a year or 2 left with our paper coupons, but I do think the shift is on the horizon. Let me know down below how you feel about this change. Do you think that paper coupons are going away? What do you think about what they're saying in this article? How do you feel about all of these personalized coupons? Are you gonna miss paper coupons like me? Or are you already an all digital couponer and this is not even gonna be a change for you? So let me know how you feel down below. Definitely hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family. And also remember to hit the link below and sign up for Top Cash Back, because you know you're going to be shopping online this holiday season and get those extra savings. I thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.